Hello everybody, Master G here with Mr. Gerontis. Let's work on learning our low X block or Hadon Ssong Soo Maki in Korean.
Hadon Ssong Soo Maki. So,
One more time. Hadon
Hadon
Ssong Soo
Ssong Soo
Maki.
Maki.
So the low X block is going to load much like the reinforced block, but instead of the bunk beds, both thumbs are facing upwards. So we're going to chamber that hand and bring the other hand on top. The blocking hand, the hand that you want, is the hand that is going to be on top. Good. He's going to step out into that position and he's going to bring the low X block down, connecting his wrist with the thumbs going up, but not actually pointing up. Good. And this block is defending against low kicks to the private parts. So if you're blocking here, it's not really going to do you any good. So you really need to get that stance low, below your private parts. Good. And reset. Opposite side. Load. And push.
Hiya.
Very good. And reset. He's going to simulate a kick. And he's going to step out. Load. And block. Hiya.
Hiya.
Good. And again, you want that space to be big enough to capture any amount of feet or whatever that could cause any damage. And that is our low X block or Hadon Ssong Soo Maki in Korean. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.